Absolute eosinophil count by improved Newborn chamber. The objectives. This test determines the total number of eosinophils present per microliter of whole blood using venous sample, diluting fluid and microscope, and precautions to be taken during the procedure. Blood is diluted with diluting fluid containing a dye which stains the eosinophils red and the granules dark brown to black. The RBCs are lysed. The eosinophils are then counted under low power in a known volume by using the Newborn chamber.
Suck the blood in the WBC pipette up to the mark 1, ensuring that there is no air bubble in the pipette. Then suck the Dunger's fluid up to the mark 11 such that the dilution factor now becomes 1:10.
Gently rotate the pipette at least 3 to 4 minutes in the palm of the hand to ensure proper mixing of the blood and the fluid.
Place a moistened filter paper in a petri dish and keep the filled pipette on it. Cover the petri dish with another wet filter paper placed under the cover.
Prepare the counting chamber. Clean the mirror-like polished surface carefully with lens paper. The cover slip is also cleaned. The cover slip is placed over the counting surface prior to putting on the cell suspension. Expel unmixed and relatively cell-free fluid from the capillary portion of the pipette, which is usually 4 drops. Charge the counting chamber by allowing a small drop of fluid to form at the top of the pipette and gently bringing it into contact with the edge of the cover slip that is already placed on the chamber. After charging the chamber, time should be given for the cells to settle down, but counting should be started before the fluid in the chamber starts drying up. Note: if the mixture overflows into the moat or air bubbles occur, clean and dry the chambers, remix the contents of the pipette, and refill both the chambers. Under low power objective, identify and check the distribution of eosinophils in the 9 squares. Recharge the chamber if the distribution is not uniform. Microscopic examination. Set the microscope and focus. Place the Newborn chamber on the microscope stage. If the microscope has a fixing clamp, fix the Newborn chamber. Turn on the microscope light. Place the condenser at the lowest position and close the diaphragm. Focus the microscope until you can see a sharp image of the cells looking through the eyepiece and adjusting the stage. All 9 squares should be used for eosinophil counting. Count all the eosinophils lying within the square and those touching the upper and the right hand lines. The cells that touch the left hand and bottom lines are not to be counted. Enter your observations in the corresponding